Hello, welcome to another trade recap. So, starting up, this trade was taken on, let me go to my calendar. This trade was taken on Friday, February 27th. We had 8:30 news. So, let's just jump straight into the charts. So, first of all, moving to our bias. So, the bias for the day was bearish. As we can see that the previous Thursday candle just flipped back from the central encroachment of this gap. Plus we had these smooth lows on the daily time frame. Obviously I was not gonna target these initially, but I knew that the market had to go down there. So initially I had a bearish bias going into the day. Going down into the 4 hour, we had this beautiful 4 hour bearish gap, which also created a balanced price range. So now coming down to the hourly time frame, we had 1, 2, and 3 hourly bearish gaps. So as we can see that the market had been dumping for the previous week. Now for the day, this was the true day opening, and you can see that the market just went one candle up and then just dumped the whole day. And we had this hourly gap which was not tapped yet till the New York opening. Now going down, I had these 15-minute structure. I had this 15-minute gap, this gap, and this gap. So I basically had three 15-minute gaps. One of them was in premium, one of them was in discount, and one of them was in between. So as I was bearish, I knew that the market had to tap one of these and go down. But the thing is that I took the gap which was in discount, and I think this is the main reason that my trade failed. And I should have waited or even took a long towards one of these gaps which were in premium. So let's go down to show you the trade execution. So as market opened right here, 9:30 bell, market just went up, tapped into the gap which was in discount that I talked about, and then just market went down. And as soon as we got this candle closes, I was like, I should get into a trade, and I took it and I got stopped out immediately. And just as I talked, the main issue was that I took the 15-minute gap that was in discount. So basically this was the reason. Now psychologically this was not an overtrade or a revenge trade, so I'm happy about it, although there was a technical issue attached to it, and which I have discussed. So this was it about this trade recap. Stay tuned for further recaps.